Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we're trying something new again. I have decided to kind of get out of my comfort zone and try to film myself more. I am not yet comfortable being in front of the camera, but I'm going to try. And yeah, I hope this goes well. Let me know what you think about this type of video and if you would like me to continue this. I will be trying it for a few times. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing this every single week, but the videos stay as they are. You will get content every single Tuesday with nail art. So yeah, let's get into the video. Today we're going to be trying some products that I've seen online, and you have probably heard of Vetsy. They are a brand that sells this kind of solid gels online, and I have been really interested in them for a while, but because of some new laws in Europe after July, shipping has been kind of weird, so I was kind of scared to experiment with it. We're going to be reviewing something really interesting today that I was so excited about, so let me show you. These are solid glitter gels, and they are from a company called Vinimay. I will definitely check out to see if they have a website. I'm pretty sure that they probably do, so we're going to try that out. And they came in a set of 12 colors, and I'm so excited. I did open them and look at them. I could not, I was so excited when I saw them. So just had to open them to see how they look like. And yeah, this is what they look like. You can see the packagings are super cute, and I think they look really similar to the Vetsy, like Betsy. They look really similar to the Vetsy ones, and they are in a 5-gram packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and open them in an order so I don't confuse you guys. I'm going to put them aside just for a little bit, so it's easier for me to show you each color individually. Also, I'm sorry if my glasses reflect the ring light and the lights above me. I have a lot of lights around me. I do not know how to set up my lights yet, especially now that I'm showing you my face. It's very weird, and I am, a little uncomfortable, so I'm gonna get used to it. It's okay. Okay, so let's see the first color. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They look like this. It's literally solid. It's so weird. And the texture, it's kind of like, I don't know if you've ever used a putty gel. It's not like polygel. It's thick like polygel, but it's also not sticky. It's kind of like a pudding. I don't know. It reminds me of a pudding. I like it. It looks really nice. I love the color. I love the consistency. This is number 1. This is number 2. Oh, wow. Oh, this is hollow. I like it. Okay, so this is more like a blue, gray, green kind of color. I like this as well. It's really pretty. Number 3 is... Oh, wow. I like this so much. Okay, this is a super pretty sparkly pink, and I think that this is one of my favorites so far. I mean, we've only seen 3 colors, but I love it. Okay, let's see number 4. It's, ooh, this gold color. This would be beautiful for New Year's. I am one of those people that always has something gold on them for New Year's, especially on my nails. So I am definitely gonna be using this. So this is the next color, and it is very, very pretty. I really like it. They kind of show up a little differently on the camera than they do in real life, but they're super pretty. Oh wow, this is a nice hollow. I love this color. It's so pretty. And I don't know if it shows up on camera really. I'm going to try to bring it as close as possible. You can see they're like chunky and smaller glitters. It's not just like one type. Okay, so this is the next color. It looks really, really pretty, and this is also one of my favorites. For example, you can see this is kind of like little triangles, the glitter. And also look at these, they're really well filled, but like it's not going anywhere. It's really, really cool. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful color. So this is kind of like black with, they definitely has some hollow in here, and I'm not sure what I would call these, like maybe like a copper kind of glitter. I think that's what it is. It's really, really beautiful. Next up we have number 9. Ooh, another gold. Oh, this is nice. Wait, let me find the other one so we compare them. Oh wow. Oh, this is like a true gold. The other one is more like maybe like a champagne color. I think that's what it is. Champagne. Number 10. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh, this is so magical. Okay, you can see I cheated and I did try this as well. It's so beautiful. In real life, I don't know if this camera picks it up better. Can you see? Yeah, you can. It's more white. Like it has kind of like a white clear hue. This color is gorgeous. Next up we have number 11. And oh, this kind of like reminds me of a chameleon kind of color. I don't know. It's really, really pretty. Or maybe like a peacock. Something like this. So beautiful. Yeah, this is absolutely stunning. I love it. And last but not least, we have number 12. I opened it. Okay. Oh! This also translates a little differently. I think this here is the closest to what it looks like in real life. It's really, really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so in addition to these, I also got these 2 polygels from my friend, and they're from this brand called Vicovi. I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, so I've been wondering since yesterday if they're the same color, and the number was literally on the bottom, so they're not the same color. Good job, Mari. Okay, so let's just take a look at the colors. They just look super similar. You can see this is kind of like a lighter pink kind of color. Maybe you could call it like a cover pink that you would use for a French manicure. And oh, this is like more like a transparent kind of pink. Okay, so if you see them in real life, they look super similar, but on camera you could just definitely tell the difference between the 2 colors. And I opened them yesterday. It was raining, it was dark, and I could not tell the difference. So yeah, we're going to be using these colors today for our look. And I'm also now going to decide what colors we're going to be using from those beautiful gels that we just went through. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into the nail art. I'm so excited. Okay, so for this part of the video, we're gonna start putting together the polygel nails. As you can see, I've already picked out the right size tips for each nail, and I'm going to glue them on with some nail glue. I really quickly filed them into the shape that I wanted, and then I went ahead and I put a layer of base coat to all of the nails and cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And now it's time to apply our polygel. So first of all, I started on my pinky with that kind of like more French cover pink color. And I thought I was going to use it to create kind of like a half design at first, but I ended up putting it all over the nail. And after curing it, one time I went in with some extra because the nail was a little bit thin. And I ended up repeating the exact same process for my thumb. I used the same color. For the remaining nails, I went in with the second color of polygel that I ordered, and for this nail, I covered the entire nail with the polygel, and I really like this color. Actually, the consistency of the 2 polygels are vastly different. The one I used previously was a lot thinner and runnier, whereas this one is a lot thicker and kind of feels like a better quality polygel, so I really enjoyed working with this one. And for the remaining two nails, I am going to create the kind of like half moon base extension, if you can call it that. And yeah, we're going to fill the rest with glitter instead of a white tip, so I'm super excited about that. And here you can see what they look like now. We're going to go straight into the first color of polygel that I was absolutely mesmerized by. I love this one. It's just so fairy-like and pretty. And I started applying this. Now the consistency is super interesting, especially when you apply it on the nail. I decided to use a little bit of slip solution to pat it around instead of painting it on like a color. And that worked really well, so I kind of treated it like polygel almost. Even though the consistency is not the same, it's just super interesting. Until you try this, you're going to be curious. So get your hands on a set of these and definitely give them a try. If you want to give them a try, they're super easy to work with and really pretty. After applying these gorgeous glitters, I went in with a little bit of clear from Christian Artesio just to encapsulate them and make sure that when I file, it won't take away any of this gorgeous glitter. And then I went ahead and I cured them in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. Just for the purpose of this video, so that I wouldn't bore you guys with the filing process, I went ahead and I filed the nails with my e-file off camera. There was so much dust everywhere, you can see it's still on my hands. So after that, I went in with a layer of base coat on all of the nails. And if you remember from my previous video, Born Pretty sent me a watercolor painting gel. And I was so curious about that, and I thought it was a marbling gel. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and use this today. It's just a regular clear, but it's a little thicker than you might expect. And yeah, it just really works well. You will see it as the video progresses and as I add colors onto this marble effect that we're going for on this nail. And it just really spreads them out nicely. You can already see it working. So I just went ahead and I applied different shades of purple colors, a little bit of white, and I just kind of marbled them around to create this kind of like stone-like effect on them. I also decided to create the same design for my thumb, and as you can see, I used a flat silicone tool that I had to kind of swirl the colors around. After all, now that I'm seeing it close up while editing, it looked really pretty without me having to squish it or anything. So, you know, you have both options, so you can do the one that better suits your styling needs. Now for these two nails that we just created the marble effect on, I'm going to take this beautiful shade of pink glitter, and with the other end of the silicone tool, I'm just going to apply a little bit of it all over the nail. I wasn't really following a particular pattern or anything. I just wanted it to, you know, kind of look marbled and to give it more like a 3D effect. And yeah, it turned out really cute. Next up, we're going to be using my favorite Vanillisa nail glue, and I'm going to apply a good amount of it in the middle of my ring finger. And this is going to be sort of like the accent nail. As you can see, I'm capping it with a layer of clear top coat. And on top of that, I'm going to start adding all sorts of beautiful gems and rhinestones and caviar beads to create this kind of like accent nail design. For the two remaining nails that have the French glittery manicure on them, I decided to paint some snowflakes, and this is absolutely the best season for snowflakes and sweater nails, and as I said, I'm obsessed with them, so here are more snowflakes. And I kind of hope that through this tutorial you can kind of see how I put them together, and if you're struggling with hand painting them, maybe this helps you. They're so much fun to paint, and they do take some practice if you're a beginner and a very thin detailed brush, but yeah, I'm sure that you got this, and just give it a try and send me a picture on Instagram to show me your progress, because I'm really proud of you. After the snowflakes have cured, I'm going to go in with a layer of non-wipe top coat on all of the nails, and on the two snowflakes I decided to add a cute little pink rhinestone in the middle of them, and I will just apply the top coat regularly to the rest of the nails. And after that has cured, it is time to apply my favorite cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. And so, I'm so excited to show you the finished look. Here it is. It's so pretty. I absolutely love how these nails turned out. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's video. It was so much fun to put together. I absolutely love trying these solid gels, and I hope you enjoyed watching this look. It was so much fun to create, and yeah, I just hope that you have a great rest of your week. I will try to find the link to their website, to link it in the description down below, and I will also check if I can find it on AliExpress or Amazon. If you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought about what I created today, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And that's pretty much it for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye! Also, a lot of you guys were excited to see my dog last week. She's sleepy. I just woke her up from a nap. Here she is. I'm just holding her like a puppet. She's a little tiny bean. Can I hold you like a baby? Holding the dog like a baby. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye. Say bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye everyone. We will see you next week.